Goat meat to me has to be the most versatile protein. I don't know if everyone agrees with me on this, because I mean, with goat meat you can literally do everything. That's why, besties, today I'll be bringing to you all this wonderful recipe I've just put together for you. Goat meat pepper soup with your yam. Guys, this can never go wrong. It can never. And this exact recipe is what you have to follow, okay? Nothing else. This exact recipe will give you everything. You see this lasso spice is pepper soup spice. If you don't have this exact one, just go in with any pepper soup spice, or if you've got local uda and oziza seed, you can just grind that and put that in. That will do. Go in exactly the way I am doing it in this video. You have to light steam your protein, your goat meat, not till it's totally done, okay? Just half cooked. Then you go in with the yam. At this point, I'm just giving it a really good stir around, okay? Because I just want to try to get all the protein from the down upward, okay? I want to take them all up because I don't want them to be cooking down and maybe stick to the pot, okay? So I want to bring it up, and yes, it will look like my pot is small for this, but no, I know it's not small, okay? Because once it gets boiled, it's going to reduce size, okay? And now this is the secret again. I added a bit of tomato mix, okay? It's fresh tomato mix, not paste tomato. Fresh tomato mix. I have a video on this page how I make my fresh tomato mix, okay? It's organic, it's natural, it will give you everything paste tomato gives you, okay? But this time very natural. I always have this stocked up in my freezer and in my fridge, okay? So I just put 2 spoons of that. It kind of lightens it up and gives you this good texture you don't want to let go, okay? Everybody's gonna ask for this, more of this. So double up the quantity you make for your family, because this is a hit, okay? Look at that. Everything well blended, well cooked together, and everything kind of merged together. The taste, the aroma is everything. The consistency is a must have. Guys, I want you all besties to have a taste of this. Follow this exact recipe. If you don't have goat meat, you can make do of any protein you've got at hand, okay? I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye bye.